Hello guys, Shubham here back again with another video. So today we are going to review the Paranoid Android ROM which is made for the Poco F1. This ROM has got some cool features, yet the ROM is simple, but still this had got some cool features, and as Paranoid Android ROM is known for battery performance. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So at the very first time, let's look towards the system. So as you can see, this is the Android 10 version ROM which is having the latest security patch of the month July, and you can see that it is the COTS 3 version of the Paranoid Android. Moving further, in this ROM you will also able to get the updates, that is the OTA official update, so you can easily download and update your ROM without any issues. So going further is the features of this ROM. So talking about the features of this ROM, the ROM has got pretty simple features. Some of the features are like display size, display font and all other. As you can see, this is the colors option where you can set all types of natural boosted colors. Font size where you can easily set the font size the way you want. Moving further is screensaver where you can set the screensaver of your clock the way you want. Next is the lock screen display. You can set all the lock screen display options which are available. What all notification count you want to show and all that stuff which you get in other ROMs. You will also get pulse light in this ROM which is also called as the edge lightning. Moving further is the ambient display where you can set the ambient display which is on pickup. Whenever you wave your hand, the device gets wake up with ambient display or the display will light up. Moving further is the dark theme where you can schedule the dark theme as per the Google's sunrise and sunset algorithm. Moving further is the sounds where you can get all the other generic sound options with live captions in it. In this ROM, you will have different types of ringtone. As you can see, these ringtones are themed such as pixel sounds, mice sounds and all other minimal types of sound. And all other sound settings which you get in other ROMs. Moving further, the security where you will get the face unlock, and make sure you have to keep in mind that the face unlock is not the IR face unlock. I don't know why, but in the previous build of Paranoid Android they have kept the IR face unlock, but now they have removed it. It might causing some issue, that why they remove, but yes, you will get face unlock which is the simple one and not the IR one. Moving further in the system, this is gestures where you can set the gestures as the system navigations for 2-button navigation, 3-button navigation or the gesture navigation. The best thing is that you can also customize the gesture navigation as per the low, high, small, large size of the pill you want. Another is the 3-finger swipe to screenshot option where you can swipe 3 finger and you will get the screenshot. You will also get adaptive playback option where you can set the adaptive playback. You know what is adaptive playback? It is that when you normalize down your volume, automatically the song gets paused. Screen off gestures where you will get the double tap for turning on your screen and turn off your screen. Moving further is also the playback control where you can toggle your songs by pressing volume up or volume down. Further in styles and wallpaper, you will get only one style. I don't know why, but Paranoid Android team has only kept the one style, and you will get some amount of customized clock faces. As you can see, here is the analog digital and only 4 clock faces they have included. Grid size as per your choice, you can set the grid size you want. Moving further in the wallpapers, the ROM got the very cool app called as Abstract which got different types of wallpaper such as OnePlus, Paranoid Android, Craft, Vibrance, Peak, Void, Poly and much more. I don't know, they say that you have to purchase the pro version of this. I don't know exactly what type of pro version you have to purchase, but these are some of the free wallpapers. This is the collection of Paranoid where you will get official Paranoid Android different wallpapers. And these are about 25 to 30 different wallpapers. Moving towards the OnePlus, you will get OnePlus wallpapers which you get latest in all the OnePlus devices. Moving towards the home screen, you will get some home screen customizations. This type of volume panel which is available in the fully green theme is available in the Paranoid Android. You will also get the live caption embedded as you get in all other ROMs. Moving to the quick settings panel, you will get different types of quick setting panels and options available in it. It's also a tile called as screen stabilization, which you can also customize as per velocity friction, velocity amplitude and position friction. Enabling that, your screen will be stabilized. It is helpful when you see Google Maps or anything else while traveling in your car, or when you are moving in a crowd or something else. All different types of options are available in it. The battery life of this ROM lasts about 7 to 8 hours. This battery life may vary for different person. Personally, I don't play much games, but if you play much games, then about this battery life is about 7 to 8 hours screen on time. Moving further, the ROM is smooth and stable. No stutters or jitters were found by me. So personally, I love the battery life of this ROM, and the ROM is pretty stable and smooth, though the ROM doesn't have much customization, but it's worth flashing. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace out.